Hello, welcome to Coco Kitchen. Today I will teach you how to make chicken piccata. One of my favorite things about a delicious chicken piccata is that it only takes an hour or less in your kitchen to get you the same delicious food as a restaurant. Trust me, it could be your new favorite chicken recipe. So, let's get started. First, set the oven to convection baking mode and preheat it to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. Next, we will prepare the chicken breast. Cut 2 pieces of chicken breast in half from the middle. In order to enjoy the delicious piccata, you need thin chicken breast. Then, cover the chicken breast with plastic wrap and use a heavy object to flatten it. I strongly recommend evenly sprinkling salt and pepper on both sides of the chicken breast instead of putting them in the flour. If you put the seasoning directly in the flour, your chicken will not be well seasoned. The next step is to coat the chicken with flour. Pour the flour into a shallow dish or bowl. Dip both sides of the chicken into the flour and shake off any excess flour. After placing a sheet of baking paper on the baking tray, place the chicken breast slices on top. Then, put the baking tray on the middle rack of the oven and start baking. The chicken is all prepared. Now it's time to make the sauce. When you want to make something really delicious but no one will complain, this is the perfect weekend dinner. Chicken piccata to the rescue. Add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil to the flat-bottomed pan. Then add half an onion. Stir fry over high heat until lightly caramelized, about 3 to 4 minutes. Then, pour in half a cup of chicken stock. Clean up the debris at the bottom of the pot and bring to a boil until it reduces by half. Turn the heat down to low and add 2 tablespoons of drained capers. These kumquats will bring a lot of savory and amazing flavor to your dish. Then add 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Oh my friends, this is one of my favorite ingredients on this planet, as it makes everything smooth and creamy. And half a sliced lemon. Gently shake the pan to emulsify the sauce, making it a bit golden. After baking, remove the chicken from the oven. Pour the well-seasoned sauce over the chicken. It smells delicious. Finally, sprinkle chopped parsley on top of the chicken to enhance the flavor and add color. I hope you learned something today. See you next time. Goodbye.